Do you hear this pink noise? Let me know which of these EQs are being applied. Let me know in the comments. Because if you can identify it, you're ahead of 90% of mixing and mastering engineers. And if you can't identify it, it's okay, because I'm going to show you how. Now, I'm in my brand new space, and adapting my ears to this space has been critical. So every morning, I'm running regular listening tests for my ears. So I've got 5 frequency ranges set up for these tests, for the low bass, the upper bass, the mid-range, the upper mid-range, and lower treble. Each of these bands have 3 3 decibel bell filters with 3rd octave Q factors. Now, why 3rd octaves? Because that's the bandwidth Bobcat's details mastering engineers need to train their ears to identify blind. And to run these blind tests, I have Hoffer AB, and this is going to help us poke around and guess. Now, we're going to follow a look, cover, write check pattern like we did back in school. We're going to solo each filter, then scramble them all, play back the noise, and then write down our guesses and check if we got it right. Ultimately, we want to be smashing this out of the park 10 for 10, and ultimately we want to be able to do this without looking and covering, just by straight recognition. But before we do, if you want to grab this session or the Pro Q4 template, sign up to the 5-day mastering sprint down below, and I'll send it out to you on the first day of the sprint. Get a pair of headphones or fire up the studio monitors, because we're going to dive in. So there's the test. 10 out of 10. I want to know what you got. Let me know in the comments below. And also, download this Pro Q4 preset. You can actually run with it and do some pretty cool stuff. Like you can take that and then bring them all down, -3. You can change it to 1 dB if you really want to challenge yourself. You can mix it up so the filters are in different sections. You can get rid of the pink noise and replace the pink noise with music to hear the EQ changes with music as well. I did this with pink noise because it's just a generalized test for you guys on YouTube, but then you can add music to this. This is just a really fun, good test to work your ears and get used to recognizing different frequency ranges with good accuracy. I hope you enjoyed this, and until next time, take care.